It's right there. See it? Oh, not good. That is not good. Okay. Might be a little baseboard issue there. I don't know if that's from the water or not. But okay. Turn these off. Of course, it has to be a pedestal sink. All right. It's that supply line. That hose is just done. Let's hope I can move this out of the way. Luckily, this one was installed right. You push up just a little bit and scooch it in and out. Makes it much easier. The only way to fix this is to completely remove it. There you go. That's the only way. They're too hard to work on. They'll have to repaint that. There's nothing else I can do for you. Okay, so let's take this off and then we'll install. I got a nice one here. This thing is all loose anyway. These are all stripped out and garbage. This thing is so stupid. I didn't even show me working on it because I was just getting pissed. This thing is cheap, bro. It's just so disappointing how this all works. You have these cheap plastic nuts and they hook into this cheap thing. And then you have these things. I don't know, man. It's just too much absurdity for me. This has to be the cheapest, stupidest design. I mean, it's just every time I install, I hate installing. I love doing plumbing, but I hate installing sinks or faucets. They're so cheap. They're so stupid. The design, anyway, there you go. Looks nice, huh? No leaks. I had to put, maybe that's how it's supposed to be, but I had to put the set screws in the front because you can't get the Allen key back there and get enough leverage on it to really get those tight. It's just, they just don't think things through. I mean, it's simple as that. Looks fairly nice though. I'll have to do a little painting, but had to take this off to change it, you know?